So for today's video, I will show you how to save in a Swiss way, because we will be going to the outlet store for meat where you can buy cheap meat with a Swiss quality. So let's go! We are on our way to Batzenheim. So Switzerland with a view. This is also a factory of processed meats. Sotero. And here's the Micarna. And here it's 20%. Look for the price. It's really cheap in here. And here everything is 50% off. Here's chicken nuggets. Hast du die Quittung, Nina?
Nein.
Ja. Yeah. Okay. Sotero on the other side. So now we'll take a look of what's inside this 5 francs Wurst pack. Wurst means a sausage. So we'll see. So here we have chipolata, which already cost 3.50. Actually, it's there for this Wurst pack during Tuesdays and Fridays is exclusive just for the employees. And here, so we have here chipolata for 3.50 francs. And here, there's no price. And here is 230 francs. Today is the 18th of May. So they are selling quite good. They are selling not expired goods. So for the price, it's really cheap. Because actually, Tuesdays and Fridays, they are selling it for the employees. But that's why we go sometimes Saturday and Wednesday so that we can have this Wurst pack for only 5 francs. So this is the first pack that we opened, and now here's the second pack. So here's the second pack. It costs 2.95. So this is 5.20. It's always expensive when it's bio, if it's organic. So, and here is the national sausage of Switzerland. It is Servila. So it's already 3.70. And here 3.30. Hey, they have always this cheap M budget. If it's green in Negro and it's cheap. Yeah, compared to the price of this, because this is organic, bio. So it's 6.20. Per kilo is 51.67 per kilo. It's a sliced ham. So for this bag alone, it costs, for this pack, the total is 21.35. They just sell it for 5 francs. So it's just like buying this for 5 francs, and then the rest it's free. So for this pack, we cannot really estimate how much we saved because there's no price in here, but per kilo is 9.90 and it is more than 1 kilo, I think. Yeah, here, because there's also no price in here, so we cannot estimate. But with the IP Swiss, it's a little bit, the price of this is between organic and then the budget. So it's just like this, buying these two, approximately. So, and then the rest is free. So I think it's a good deal, isn't it? So that's it for today. I hope I help you save also here when you are in Switzerland. and you can save for the price but not for the quality. I hope this video helped you in saving the Swiss way without compromising the Swiss meat quality. Until next time, see you. Bye. So that's it for today. I hope you have learned something that saving without compromising the Swiss meat quality. Until next time, see you. Bye. Like and subscribe. Bye.